All right, so I'm gonna do the evens on this one. This video will be brief. It won't be as long as the first part. So graph and then name a point on the solution set. So I'm gonna graph the inequality y is less than or equal to 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. So then that graph and it's equal to, so it should be a solid line passing through y equals 3, which means the slope is 0. Okay, then I'm going to notice that this is less than, so then below the line gets shaded. All of this region gets shaded. And the other inequality is y is greater than or equal to x. So then that one passes through the origin and it's equal to. So it's going to hit every single one of those points because it's got a rise of 1, run of 1. And it will be a solid line. Okay, so I'm going to see if I can do a straight line here. And again, I'm sketching a solid line. And now the question is, where do we shade? So this is greater than, so then we shade everything that's above the line. So all of this region gets shaded. Then I'm going to choose a point that is in the solution set. So where it's you see the shadings intersecting, you can choose any point. So for example, is the origin there? Yes, it is, right? Because it's in the shaded region for the purple line. Well, I don't know if you can tell, this is purple and this is black. And let's see how that, well, let's choose this one here. Okay, so let's do 0, 1. So 0, 1 is 1 point. And then that point is in the double shaded region, so that should work. But if I choose a point here, it wouldn't work for the two inequalities, or for the system, only for one of them. So then this will be 1 point, and this is the graph. So that concludes number 16. Let's go to number 18. This one says, write an equation in vertex form describing a quadratic graph that has a vertex at 3, 5 and has y-intercept of 0, negative 1. Okay, so we know this is the vertex, so this has to be h and this has to be k. This is an x value and this is a y value. Okay, so I'm going to copy the formula for the equation in vertex form. So y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Then I'm going to substitute, instead of y, negative 1 equals, this is the unknown. We don't know a. And x is 0 minus h. H is 3. Then take the square and add the k value, which is 5. So then simplify. Negative 1 equals 8 times negative 3 squared plus 5. Then this is negative 1 equals negative 3 squared is 9. So this is 9a plus 5. Then I'm going to subtract the 5 from this side and also from this side. I'm going to come over here for the sake of space. Negative 1 and negative 5 combined to negative 6 equals 9a. Then I'm going to divide by 9. And this simplifies to negative 2/3. That's the value of a. Okay, so now I'm ready to write the equation. So the equation in vertex form is y equals, a is negative 2 over 3 times x minus h. Again, h is given as a 3. Take the square and then add the k value, which is 5. So this is review from previous lessons. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll help in the classroom if you have any questions. Bye-bye.